Hello everybody, how is everyone doing? Hope you're all staying safe. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not already done so. Hit the like button, turn on the notification bell so you know whenever I upload a new video, and keep sharing. Thank you for supporting me. So today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious chicken yam pepper soup. This was just so tasty, so tasty, and you need to try it out yourself. Now let me show you how I made it. These are my ingredients, and for my pepper soup spices I'll be using a huru seed, also known as calabash nutmeg, uda, and uziza seeds. Please watch my sea bream pepper soup video so you can know the list of all the ingredients that I used. So to start, I'm going to be adding pepper into the pot which has the chicken. And I'm going to add some water. You add as much water as you need. So now I'm going to add the stock cubes. So I've added some sea salt. I'm just in love with this sea salt. It tastes so nice. So I'm going to cover and allow to cook for 10 minutes, depending on your cooking sauce. So 10 minutes is over and I'm going to add the yam. And I'm going to be adding the pepper soup mix. So I blended them already together. So I'm adding the scent leaves, the chopped sweet pepper, and I'm going to cover and allow to cook for about 10 minutes again because of the yam. So I'm going to check my yam if it has softened. Then I'm going to add my basil leaves. So now the pepper soup is ready to be eaten, to be served. If you love this recipe, please hit the like button and also share with your friends, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye and stay safe.